Anong apple?
Apple.
Apple.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
The apple. Aray!
Hindi pa na yung natapos.
Hindi pa ako naka-outbalance pa.
Oy, malapit na tayo sa kalsada.
I will.
Yes!
Malapit na tayo sa 9, no?
Opo.
Ayan.
Ay, parang hindi po.
Ay, hindi pa.
Oo. Hindi po eh.
Ayan. Oh, wow. Where do you look? My tree is dead.
I love that. More easier focus. Popo?
We see the road, Pastor.
Yeah, it's not the road yet.
Ah, not yet.
Yeah, not yet.
It's not yet. Not
It
yet.
is just like this.
Oh, step.
Yeah, pathway. Because we have to.
Mabuti nga, tinubuta agad sila.
Like this.
Parang nahawag. Ganito ba?
What happened to you? Dukon Jeffrey.
Yes. Oh my God.
Buti hindi pa na-full storage si Ate Sel.
Ate Sel, give the.
Hey, it's okay. She have 2 phones too. You can have that phone.
Of course.
Sa mga foreigner na nagsushoot nga pumunta ng bundok eh.
Hindi daw maganda.